Hey guys, welcome back to Me TV. Matthew
and Emma
TV. Today we're going to be looking at the geodes. So this is part 2 geode. So we're looking at the crystal, the smallest one so far. Now let's have a recap on my big one. So the crystals are sometimes quartz, calcite, or fluorite. If you don't know what that means, you're not alone. I don't know what it means either. So that's the big hole there. Now let's go look at Emma's. Oh, that's my thumb. So this is Emma's big hole cave. Look at that. That's massive and up close. So that's all that. Next, we have my one again, but this one's the bigger crystal. Not sure. I'm getting close enough for a clip. So for this, we have this like microscope thingy on it that you got to get real close to see the real detail. Look at that, you can actually see the crystals. Now here's one of my sisters again. This is a smooth part. What? Okay, now that one wasn't expected. It's not actually smooth. There's the crystal-y part. There's my thumb. And just coming around. Yeah, that's not actually... But you can see little lumps on it. Geodes typically have a hard outer shell made of calciminity, apparently. Calciminity. This is another piece. This is just fun facts I'm reading from the book it came with. Whoa. In 2000, a geode measuring 26 feet, 7.9 meters long and round, 6 feet, 1.8 meters across, was found in an old silver mine in Spain. So that means it's bigger than our car. And our car's like a huge Land Rover. So that's impressive. Oh, wow. You can really see that crystal. Wow. Bird's eye view of it. Up close. Upside down. That way. That way. That is impressive. I may have showed you this, guys, at the start of the video, but wow. And I'm afraid, but that's bye.